Cash App makes sending Bitcoin simple and straightforward. You can send Bitcoin to other Cash App users instantly and for free, or to external Bitcoin wallets with small network fees. First, let's see how to access Bitcoin features in Cash App. Open the app and navigate to the Bitcoin section, which you can find in the main menu. Once you're in the Bitcoin section, tap Withdraw Bitcoin or Send Bitcoin to start the sending process. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. You have two destination options when sending Bitcoin. You can send to another Cash App user using their $ cash tag or phone number, or send to an external Bitcoin wallet using a Bitcoin address. Here's what the actual sending process looks like in the app. You enter the amount, select the recipient, and confirm the transaction with your security method like PIN, Touch ID, or Face ID. Remember the key differences. Sending to Cash App users is instant and free, while external wallet transfers have small network fees but give you more control over your Bitcoin. Both methods are secure and easy to use. Cash App uses a two-tier fee structure for Bitcoin transactions. Internal transfers between Cash App users are completely free, while external transfers to other wallets have dynamic fees based on network conditions. For internal transfers between Cash App users, there are no fees whatsoever. These transactions are instant and use the Cash App network rather than the Bitcoin blockchain. External transfers to other Bitcoin wallets have three priority levels. Low priority costs $1 to $2 and takes 30 to 60 minutes. Standard priority costs $2 to $4 and takes 10 to 30 minutes. High priority costs $4 to $8 but completes in 5 to 15 minutes. Now let's examine transaction limits, which vary significantly based on your account verification level. Cash App has 3 account verification levels, each with different weekly limits. Unverified accounts are limited to $250 per week. Verified accounts can transact up to $2,500 weekly. Premium accounts have the highest limit at $7,500 per week. Individual transactions also have limits. The minimum transaction amount is $1, while verified users can send up to $2,500 in a single transaction. Security is crucial when handling Bitcoin transactions. Let's explore the essential security features and best practices. Cash App provides multiple security layers to protect your Bitcoin transactions. Two-factor authentication and biometric locks are your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra verification step. Use biometric locks like Touch ID or Face ID for quick but secure access. Always keep your app updated to the latest version for the newest security patches. Remember that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Always double-check recipient addresses and consider starting with small test amounts before sending larger transactions. These security measures will help protect your Bitcoin investments on Cash App.